Well, hello everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. I, at the moment, cannot believe my own self-control because I have had this box for several days and I have been waiting for myself to have the energy to film it. I've been dealing with a cold and I haven't even opened it. I literally just now cut the tape on it so that I can open it with you guys. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm making like great self-improvement. In the past, I wouldn't have been able to do that. I would have had to open it and look. So if you aren't unacquainted with FabFitFun, this is a seasonal subscription box. It comes with lifestyle, beauty, and fitness items. If you're an annual member like I am, you can choose all your items in the box, and you also get like early access to all of their sales that they have, which honestly the sales is the whole reason I'm an annual member. But if you are a seasonal member, which I was for several years, you do get to choose some of the items in your box, which is always very fun. And I don't really remember what's in this box. The only thing I remember is that I believe there's a Pat McGrath lipstick in here. I'm very excited to get into it. Let's do so. I have my matcha latte. And let's get into this little box. It is a smaller box than usual, and maybe it's just because of the items that I picked. Maybe they fit in a smaller box, or I don't know, maybe the whole box was just smaller this season. I do not know. So the very first thing here on the top, oh, now I remember. I did choose to receive this Amika shampoo and conditioner. This is the Hydro Rush Intense Moisture Conditioner. I'm really bad at buying myself quality hair products. It's just, for some reason, I have a really hard time spending money on something that goes away so quickly. Makeup is one thing, because it will last you for years. Hair stuff goes quickly, at least if you have long hair. So I'm always happy to be able to get these at a discount through my box. I like the packaging, very pretty. I will definitely be putting those to use. I'm happy with my choice there. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh! I'm excited about this. I totally forgot this was coming. So this is from Honest Beauty, and this is the Extreme Length Mascara and Lash Primer. This is a double-ended mascara. Back in the day, Jessica Alba did a video with Tati where she showed how to use this mascara, and she said that it was Honest Beauty's #1 selling product. So on one side, there's the primer. So this side, so that's what that looks like. And then the other side is the mascara, which normally I wouldn't be opening this, but I really want to try this soon, so I will. I will open it. And okay, so it's got kind of a classic wand. I'm super duper interested to try this. It says to apply primer, wait 30 seconds, and then top it off with the actual mascara. Very excited to try this out. What else did I get for myself? I literally don't remember. Here's a box. Oh, so these are silicone baking cups. At first I was like, what did I get? To me, this is not the most exciting product because I am not much of a baker. However, there have been times where I wished I had these when I have been, on the rare occasion, making some sort of dessert, although I have in the past used things like this to make like little quiches and things. So I'm actually very happy to have a set of these instead of having to buy paper ones. So it comes in several colors. Looks like I got pink, green, yellow, and red. Yeah, I'm happy with that choice. Next. Ooh! Yay! I'm excited about this. So this was actually an add-on in their add-on sale. So whenever the season comes, they have an add-on sale where you can, like the title says, add on something to your box. This was the one add-on I chose. So this is from Kaja. This is their Gloss Shot Hydrating Lip Shine. And oh, I broke my lip gloss no buy to grab this at their discounted rate. I've been wanting to try this lip gloss for a couple years, for a long time, and I've always been so afraid that they were gonna discontinue it. Ooh, it's so pretty. It has a little sticker here that says, as cute as it is good. Oh, I hope so. I have the shade Pink Drink. I'm just gonna try this right over my little liquid lipstick that I'm wearing. Ooh, it's got kind of a nice curved little doe foot. Let's put it on. Ooh. Okay, this is the type of thing I love. It feels kind of like a liquid lip balm. Oh, it's lovely. It's kind of thick and moisturizing. I love it. And it smells like cupcakes. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this box. This is great. Okay, what else? Okay, I have spotted the Pat McGrath lipstick. It has the classic Pat McGrath packaging. Very pretty. So this is the, oh gosh, it's in a different language. Rouge something, probably French, right? So this is the Matte Trance lipstick in the shade Fembot. Let's unwind the packaging and get her open here. My gosh, this box is so fun. The one eyeshadow palette I have from Pat McGrath, I did keep it in its little box just because it's so special. I don't think I will with the lipstick just because I want to put it in my lipstick holder, but I gotta admit, this little like box is very pretty. Ooh, it feels nice and heavy. I've never actually looked at or tried one of these before. Oh no, mine got a little squished. Can you see the bullet is a little smashed? I guess that doesn't bother me too much. I mean, a fresh bullet of lipstick is always very satisfying, but it's not like, you know, a total problem. I'm just kind of smelling it to see. It might have a very, very slight scent, but nothing major. And that is the shade. I'm looking forward to trying it. Pat McGrath is a very exciting brand to get in one of these boxes. Very, very exciting. I hope that that means that they will have more Pat McGrath items in their sales. That would be fabulous. I can't bring myself to throw this box away yet. I will eventually, but I'm gonna keep it for now. Ooh, yes. I got another one of these. I have been loving the Kosas body creams. I have one that I was going to Project Pan, but that was the one my husband is using. And so I'm like, okay, I'll just let him use that one. And so we've been very slowly going through them. They are giant, you know, squeezy tubes of lotion, but they're very nice. This particular one is the Pure Greek Olive Body Cream Sea Salt. It is currently sealed. I don't really want to open it right now because I have other open lotions, but I'm expecting to really enjoy this considering that I have all their other products I've ever tried. All right, also I have something from Earth Harbor. This is the Azure Regenerative Neck Cream. Oh yeah, I chose this because there was nothing else that I wanted in the box. They do this thing where they have categories. You could pick one thing from the category. In this category that this was in, I didn't want anything else. I'm like, I'll use up a neck cream. So here is what the jar looks like. It's a nice glass jar. Well, maybe it's, yeah, it's glass. Ooh, it's a very pretty soft blue. Does it smell like anything? Very, very, very lightly scented if there's any scent, but I have had a cold, so maybe I just can't smell it. I could take a little bit and try it on my wrist. Oh, it just feels real nice. For some reason, for a neck cream, I was expecting something a lot more thick, and this actually, once you start rubbing it on your skin, goes down to be more of a thin cream. But my hand just feels nicely moisturized. Yeah, I'll definitely use it up. It has seaweed, amino acids, and copper peptides. Whatever that means. One more item in here, and it is from Tula. So this is their Balancing Act Purifying and pH Balancing Toner Pads. I don't always use a product like this, but I find that there are times when I really do appreciate them. This one has witch hazel, lactic acid, and PHA, which I can never remember the difference between the HAs. It does, however, not have niacinamide in it. I might, which I did not see when I picked this. So I actually just might end up giving these to my daughter. It has a very nice packaging. Top is nice and sealed. Niacinamide never used to bother me, but it definitely does now. So yeah, she does use products like these, so I will probably give these to her. All right, that's everything. I'm actually much more into this box than I thought I was going to be. At first, I thought I might skip this box. But after being able to pick and choose everything, I'm actually quite happy with this box. I really enjoyed it. If you got the spring FabFitFun box, FabFitFun, I always want to say FabFitFun. What did you think of your box? Did you get any of the same items that I did? Did you get any fun add-ons to your box? Did you get a Pat McGrath lipstick? What do you think? Oh my gosh, I am still just absolutely delighted with that lip gloss. What a treat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye, guys.